Hello friends, I am going to discuss illustration number 2 of the lease versus buy option of CMA final SFM. Please read the questions here. Look at here. This is easy questions. Look at here. Fair Finance Leasing Company has the approached by the prospective customers intending to acquire a machine whose cash down price is rupees 3 crore. Cash down price is rupees 3 crore. The customer, in order to leverage his tax position, has requested a quoted a 3 years lease rent payable at the end of the each year, but diminishing manner such that they are in the ratio of 3 is to 2 is to 1. Depreciation can be assumed to be a straight line basis of the fair finances. Marginal tax rate is 35%. The target rate of return is 12%. Calculate the annual lease rent. In this case, you have to calculate annual lease rent for the investor lesser point of view, so that the lesser will achieve 12% return. And what type of investment is done by the lesser? 3 crore investment is done by the lesser 3 crore, and out of this investment is going to receive the lease rent 3 is to 2 is to 1 ratio, that equal to 3x 2x, and that is the x, and desired return is 12%. It means what? Present value of lease rent net of tax, present value of lease rent and net of tax, present value of cash inflow must be equal to present value of cash outflow at the rate of 12%. If it will happen in this case, investor will recover his initial investment 3 crore as well as desired return at the rate of 12%. Concept of present value is this. Present value means what? If you are going to invest, you are going to outflow, present value of inflow, it means what? You are going to receive initial investment as well as desired return 12%, which I have already explained in my concept class as well as time value of money class. Okay, now I am going to solve the questions. In this case, look at it. Working note first, calculation from the lesser point of view. I am going to evaluate. For lesser point of view, lesser is entitled to charge depreciation. That's why working note first you need to calculate depreciation. Calculation of present value of tax saving on depreciation, present value of tax saving on depreciation. Depreciation equal to cost minus scrap value over life, that is 300 crore minus 0, and life is 3 years. 100 crore tax saving on depreciation. This equal to 35% tax rate of 100 rupees, 35 crore. Present value of tax saving, present value of tax saving on depreciation. Look at, this is rupees 35 crore. Present value annuity factor 12%, 3-year depreciation. 35 into present value annuity factor 12%. So this is 2.40183, 40183 rupees, 84.06 lakh, 84.06 lakh. Now we have to calculate present value of cash outflow. Working note second. Calculation of present value of cash outflow. Present value of cash outflow. Present value of cash outflow. Cost of equipment, 300 crore, less present value of tax saving. Present value of on depreciation, 84.06 crore. Present value of net present value of cash outflow, rupees 215.94, 215.94. This is the present value of cash outflow. Okay, now we have to calculate present value of lease rent received. Okay, working note, working note 3. Calculation of present value of lease rent received. Present value of lease rent received. Here, this is the year. First year, first year, second year, this is third year. Lease rent 3x to x. Tax saving on lease. Lease rent received. %35. 1, 2, 3. 3 years. Annual lease rent. Lease rent 3x, 2x. Tax paid. Lease rent received. This is tax paid on lease. Rent received. Lease rent received 1.05x, 0.05 70x 0.35x. Lease rent net of tax. Lease rent net of tax 1.95x, 1.95x, 1.30x, 0.65x. Present value factor at the rate of 12%, 0.893, 0.797, 0.712. This is your present value. 1.74135, 74135x, 1.0361x, 61x, 0.4628x, 28x. Total present value of lease rent, total present value of lease rent received net of tax, net of tax 3.24025x. In this case 1.74135x, 1.0361x, 0.4628x after adding these all. Okay, for 12% return, 12% return, there must be present value of cash inflow equal to present value of cash outflow. Inflow is 3. This is present value of cash rent 3.24025, 3.24025x. Outflow is 215.94, 215.94. The value of x, 215.94 divided by 3.24025, that is 66.6430 crore. Table showing in year wise lease rent. Table showing year wise lease rent. Table showing year wise lease rent. This is your year. First, second, third. Annual lease rent required to receive, that is the 3x, 2xx. 3 into 66.6430, 2 into 66.6430, 1 into 66.6430, 199.9227, 9227 crore. 133.2818 crore. 66.6430, 6430 crore. This should be the annual lease rent received by the lessor so that he will recover 300 crore as well as 12% return. Okay, thank you class. Please like, subscribe and share my videos.